Portal administrators can tailor their app side menu to meet their unique needs. From grouping specific modules to adding web and phone links, you can personalize your side menu so that high-priority information is instantly accessible by users. To begin, select Settings from the bottom of the left-hand menu. Within the Settings page, select App Modules and Links. You can customize your side menu, manage module privacy settings, and create module access codes within the App Modules and Links page. First, select the Module and Links Manager. This is where you can view the modules in your app, where they are assigned, and if they're set to public or hidden. Click Edit on the right to modify your side menu. Please note, you can use the back arrow at the top left to go back to the previous page at any time. Click on Create in the top right corner to add external, email, phone number, or embedded links directly to the side menu. Our Embedded Links feature lets you incorporate any web page into your app's side menu. This allows users to access your website, social media, or another important resource without ever leaving the app. In the next text box that appears, add your new text and link, set it to appear in the side menu or to be accessed only via module access code, and select whether it's public or hidden. You can also choose to upload a custom icon or select one of the hundreds of icons that are available. Click on the icon to the left of the text box to change the icon. To upload a custom icon, click on Upload a Custom Icon at the bottom left. The image files that are accepted are PNG, JPEG, or GIF. For best results, the dimensions should be 72 pixels by 72 pixels or above. If you want to use an icon from our library, choose your preferred icon from the pop-up window that appears. Click Close when done to save your changes, or Restore Default Icon to discard your changes. You can also select Remove under the text box to delete your new entry. Click Save at the top right of the page to save your new link. Please note, the icon that you choose will also be the one that appears when you use grid navigation in the Welcome module. We will go over setting up grid navigation later on in this video. And you're done. Your new module and link will automatically appear in your side menu. Next, let's look at how you can reorder and group your modules. Within the App Modules and Links page, select Side Menu Customization. To reorder modules, click on Edit in the top right corner. Click the dots to the left of each module name to drag and drop it into a different location on the menu. Press Save in the top right corner to save your changes. To group modules, click on Create Group in the top right corner. Add the group name in the pop-up window. This name will appear above the items placed within that group in the portal and on the app. Then click Save in the bottom right corner. Drag and drop items from the side menu into the box by clicking on the group of dots on the left. Note, edit the group name by clicking Edit or ungroup the items by clicking Ungroup in the top right corner of the box. Organize and reorder groups by clicking on the dots to the left of the group name, holding down your mouse and dragging and dropping them into place. Press Save in the top right corner to save your changes. To delete your changes, click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Discard. And you're done. Your reordered and grouped modules will automatically appear in your side menu. Next, let's look at managing where your eGuides are accessed within the app. eGuides can be placed in the Library module or directly in the side menu. To manage where your eGuides appear, click on the eGuides Manager in Settings. Check the box to the left of the eGuide or multiple eGuides you would like to assign. Then select Assign To in the top right corner of the page. Choose where you would like the selected eGuide or eGuides to appear, like Side Menu, Access Code, or Library module, and then click Save to confirm your selection. Please note, select Unassigned to remove an eGuide from an assigned location. For more information on assigning an access code to an eGuide, see the Module Access Codes tutorial. To view more information on a particular eGuide, select it, right-click, and choose View Details. A new window will open. Select Edit in the top right corner to make any assignment changes. Click Save when you're done, and then press the back arrow to go back to the eGuide Manager page. To alter the assignment of an eGuide, select one or more eGuides and right-click. Choose Assign To and follow the steps we just talked about. Note, only eGuides assigned to the same location can be selected and reassigned at once. And you're done. Your eGuides will automatically appear in their new assigned location. With our new grid navigation, you can add a sleek navigation grid of icons directly within your Welcome module. The icons can be chosen from our predefined list, or you can upload your own. Grid navigation is a great way to drive your users to modules you want them to go to. It can be altered and deleted at any time. So here's how it works. In the Welcome module, put your cursor in the spot where you would like the grid navigation to appear. Then click on the grid icon at the top of the content window. Clicking on the grid brings up the Grid Navigation Selector window. There you can check off the available modules on the left that you would like to add to the grid navigation. Please note, only modules that are assigned to the side menu can be selected. Once you have selected the modules you want, select Add. Once you're satisfied, click on the Save button. Then you can publish the module and your changes will appear on your app. As mentioned earlier, you can upload and add custom icons to the side menu and the navigation grid by going to the Module and Links Manager.